Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hey y'all. So I am currently downtown. They have a food truck festival going on today, and I'm trying to find parking. It is packed, and I'm thinking I'm getting out here on the early end. No, it's not the early end. People just driving and doing what they want to do. I'm not gonna move either. Let's see. There's gotta be some. Are you leaving? Okay, so let me find parking. Okay, I found the parking spot. It was $20, but I mean, hey, I'm not gonna be doing all this riding around trying to find a park. Getting in and getting out. And plus, it's supposed to be storming later, so I want to be out of the way before it even gets to that point. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock now, so we'll give it a good hour or so, and I'm gonna be ready to go. So let's go. So I found the trunk I was looking for, and the line actually isn't that bad. So I'm just wait. I heard somebody say something about something was sold out. I'm hoping it's not, but I can afford.
3 hours later.
I just made it back to the car, y'all. I was in that line for over an hour, but I got the goods. But they're about to close this parking lot that I'm in, so I'm gonna just go home and then I'll try everything once I get to the house. I gotta take me a bath because before I do anything, because that dust was just flying, and I could just feel it on my face. Dust piling, like I feel it all over me, even my lips. I just feel icky. So I'm gonna take a shower first and then I'll try everything. I'll see y'all when I get home. Okay, home, showered, and hungry. I ate all day. It's like 7:39. Okay, so I'm gonna go through each one and we're gonna taste it. Okay, so this is the egg roll. I don't know which egg roll this is, because I got a sweet potato egg roll and I also got a collard green egg roll. I just really bought a whole bunch of stuff because I wanted to try everything. They had seafood boils and stuff too, but I didn't want that. And it comes with this sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna try it first without, and then I'm gonna taste it with the sauce. Green is good. Okay, let's try it with the sauce. This is good. Oh, 10 out of 10. That was good. Alright, let's see what's next. Okay, these are the sweet potato egg rolls. Oh. It's good. I like my sweet potatoes to be a little thick. Those are a little thin, but it's still good. In the club with my twin with you, 7 or 8 out of 10. These are the fried deviled eggs, y'all. I don't know what that is on top. They look like chicken. thought it was gonna be like the deviled egg was gonna be fried, kind of like they used to have it OLG, Old Lady Gang in Atlanta. I don't know if they still have it or not. It's a deviled egg with fried. Oh, it is fried. It's just a little skin came off. So let's taste it. Okay. So the fried deviled egg, I would say it's an 8 or 9 out of 10. That little skin came off. I'm gonna try that last because that's the start of the show. What's this? Oh, these oxtail French fries. These look a little scary, but let's try it. The oxtail is seasoned to perfection. I'm guessing the white sauce is cheese, but I would like to see like a little more cheese. The flavor is real good. I'm a cheesy girl, so that's why I said I would like to see more cheese. But that's good. Okay. And the last thing is this oxtail grilled cheese, y'all. That's exactly what I went for. Okay, I ain't get no cheese pull or nothing. So let's see. It's real good. I was just making sure the cheese is on there. It's good. Maybe if it was like, I ate it right when it came off the line. But it's good. It's real good. I would say a 9 out of 10. So yeah. I hope y'all had fun at the food truck festival and enjoyed seeing me try this food. It's in line for over an hour and then had to wait like 30 minutes for it to be done. The wind, sandstorm. It's actually supposed to be a storm tonight, so I'm about to hunker down. Well, no, I'm just about to make sure my phones and stuff is charged. That's pretty much it. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for y'all love and support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.